Well, he is competent to stand trial and assist in his own defense. Those are the findings in the case of Raulie Casteel, the man charged as the I-96 corridor shooter from last fall. 24 people were shot at in 4 counties over a 2-week period. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has been on the case from the beginning, and he shows us how this clears a major legal hurdle.
The defendant is competent to stand trial and ready to proceed with further proceedings.
A brief hearing in District Court in Howell, where the State Attorney General's office is handling the charges in shootings that happen in Ingham, Shiawassee, and Livingston counties. That's where the worst of the 24 cases happened. A man's car shot while driving on I-96 with the slug entering his hip. He limped into a gas station to get help. The worst of the charges, domestic terrorism, up to life in prison.
If you don't charge terrorism here, what exactly are you waiting for? The entire mid-Michigan community was terrified. People were altering their routes.
Raulie Casteel also faces more than 60 charges in another case brought by the Oakland County prosecutor for the first of the shootings in and around Wixom last October. The random shootings still lack one main component, a motive. A task force of local, state, and federal agents worked the case around the clock until a big break. A partial license plate from one of the shooting victims led them to check out several suspects. When they focused on Casteel, they found a 9mm handgun and even a bullet casing stuck in the windshield of his car.
We have strong ballistics evidence to connect those incidents to Mr. Casteel.
Casteel has a similar procedural hearing in the Oakland County case here in Novi tomorrow. He remains locked up in the Oakland County jail without bond. In Novi, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
The next court date in both cases have not been set, but a trial is expected later this year.